Hey guys, it's Sarai. Welcome to my channel, and today is going to be a super exciting fall video. So I'm going to be showing you our house that we decorated for fall. It's super cozy, super welcoming, which I love. I'm going to be showing you how we decorated our house for fall. I love how it turned out. I think I really like fall decorations because it's just so warming and peaceful, which I just really like. I will show you our porch and our living room and our kitchen a little bit. It's somewhat kind of decorated, but not really. But I'm excited because I've really been wanting to film this for a really long time, and I just never really got around to it. But now I'm getting around to it, and I'm hoping I edit it as well. So let's get started. Out here is our porch. I'm talking quiet because our neighbors are outside. And it's so cute. I love my porch. It's super simple, but I love how it turned out. So I will show you and explain where things are from now. So this basket is from IKEA, and I have a few pumpkins and some skulls and a pretty little yellow mum, which I love. These are actually my boyfriend Zach's, and I had to incorporate them somewhere in the house, so I did for him, which they're outside, not inside. And over here is our cute little wreath kind of thing, but it's a pumpkin. And I love that the door is orange, so it kind of just kind of fits, which is just really nice. And I just kind of have to point this out, but my cute little mat that says hello and goodbye. So I have another mum over here, and then I have blankets out here just for when I'm sitting outside. I can be nice and warm. And I have more mums over there, and just one sad little pumpkin. So I'm just gonna give you an overview of the living room. So over here is our front door, and we just have our coat rack to hang up all our coats and, essentials. Over here is where we get to the couch and the side table. And here is my dog. So over here, what we just have decorated is basically just a few pumpkins that are actually from Target, which were super inexpensive. We're like $1.99 or something like that from the dollar section. And then this little house from Target as well, which just lights up, and it's just really cozy. Over here is my favorite part of the entire house for some reason, is actually just blankets and pillows on the couch. I know it seems silly, but I love the way it looks. This pillow is from Home Goods. It says family and something I can keep up year round, which I really like. And beside it, or behind it really, are two yellow pillows that are actually just covers for the pillow that came with the couch, and they're pretty ugly, so good thing I can cover it up. This is actually a scarf, believe it or not. It looks like a blanket, and it's gonna stay looking like a blanket, but I do wear it as a scarf when needed. Over on the other end of the couch is just another blanket and another scarf actually on top. The yellow blanket is from West Elm, and this is just a scarf from Target. Our other side table is not very fallish, I guess you could say. It literally only has one pumpkin, but that's okay because below it is something super cute. This is a basket from TJ Maxx, I believe, and a blanket. The red one is from IKEA and the white one is from Target. It just looks very cute and I love it. Back over to this side is actually the coffee table, and it's decorated very simple. We just have a few pumpkins, gourds, and this light up. I'm not 100% sure what it's called, but you can put a candle in it and light it up, which I don't have a candle for. Over on this side is my favorite part too of the living room. It my reading nook. So this chair is from IKEA, and I love the way it looks. It's just like a natural wood, and I love to just relax here, turn the lights on, read a book, and chill after a long day of work and doing schoolwork. So this owl pillow is something I've had for such a long time because I love owls. It's just kind of been around for a very long time, and it's going to be staying there all year round, which I love. This other pillow is actually a pillowcase as well, but it is a Christmas pillowcase, but nobody needs to know that until Christmas time. So it's going to face the other way for the meantime. Behind it, I have another blanket. I think you can see that it's a little checkered. It's like black and yellow. And I love it being there because sometimes this house gets cold, and having a blanket right there. I have blankets right here, but it's just kind of convenient. And on this floating shelf that my brother actually built me, which I love, is a pumpkin from Target from the dollar section. An owl that I've had for years, again, because I love owls, and a few seashells. And a little more tiny little pumpkins that I didn't know what to do with, and they've been sitting there. Down here is not really a fall decoration, but I love it anyway. It is my record player and a few of my records, and it's just really nice to have there. It fits perfect in this little space, which I love, and it adds a little bit of, vintageness. That's probably not the right word. Over here is a chest that my boyfriend actually had at his old place, so it fits perfect in this spot by our stairs, and it just looks so good. So the first thing we have here are fake flowers, just because when the winter comes and when it's cold, flowers aren't the prettiest, so fake flowers are okay with me for the winter time. Right here is our little friend. I still have not given him a name, but he's a little cute tiny fox. I ended up getting him from Home Goods, and he fits perfect there. He's a part of the family now, And over here is our little truck that is super, super cute. I've always wanted one of these, and my boyfriend ended up getting it for me, and I love it. The nice thing about this is that these pumpkins actually come out, so we can put Christmas trees in here and decorate it for the year and keep it there because I love it. Right here is actually a little scarecrow that is inside my plant that my mom ended up getting me. And another little scarecrow. Back over in this section is our little tiny kitchen. So what I have decorated is basically just our dining room set, which is placemats that I got from AC Moore for $1.99, which is a steal. And here's a little view of our tiny kitchen. Super, super small, but I love it. So this is not very fallish, but I love these little napkins. What are they called? But it says our nest, and I just think they're a super cute touch to the kitchen. Up over here on our floating shelves that my boyfriend built me are a few pumpkins and a few plants that just make it very cute. So that was the house tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was like super quick, only because our house is like yay big. Not a lot. The house, or the living room, is pretty small. So thank you for that. But I love how it's just, can you not right now? Look at her. What are you doing? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of me and when I start to decorate for Christmas, because that's going to be coming as soon as Thanksgiving is over. We are decorating for Christmas instantly. So I will actually show you the process of me decorating for Christmas. This was just kind of like how I decorated my house and not showing you how I decorated it for fall. But that will be a whole new video for Christmas,
which I'm so excited about. So again, please don't forget to do this video. Huge thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. So see you guys soon, and bye!